In Part B of Module 1, you are going to learn how to create a document in Google Drive, rename it, and then share the document. So when you first log in, you will have a black bar up here at the top, and it can vary depending on sort of as Google learns how you use it, what will be there. Now, I am logged into my account, and so I see the word drive. And so Google has sort of upgraded in the last few months from a documents link to a drive, which you can store all types of media on. So you're probably going to see documents, and I want you to click on that. And this screen stating Google Drive will pop up, and what you're going to do is click on the Get Started with 5 gigabytes free. And that way you'll automatically be upgraded to the Drive feature. And from then on, whenever you log in, you should see Drive at the top black bar. So I'm going to click on Drive, and it takes a little while to get used to it. And you should actually see that I have shared the Class 1 rubric with you. So you will see your last name and then Class 1 rubric. So that is a document. If you open it up, you will see the grade you received for the first class, and if that doesn't correspond with what's in Infinite Campus, please let me know. Now notice, every time you open up a document, it opens up a new window. So sometimes you can find yourself with a lot of new windows. All right. Remember that you can pause at any time and complete steps. Don't watch all the way through to the end. You might want to break it down when you're doing this. So when I click on Create, you'll notice there are several options. Document is similar to a Word document. Presentation is similar to PowerPoint. Spreadsheet is like Excel. And Form allows you to do surveys. And then Drawing, from what I understand, is a lot like Paint. So you are going to create a document. And being that you are all familiar with how to use Word, you should see that it is pretty similar. You might want to run through the top bar just to kind of get an idea how things are laid out. But the first thing after you've created a document is you are going to title your document. And all you do to do that is click on the word Untitled Document. You need to name it your last name and then your topic. So if you recall, mine was on the food supply, and then just hit OK. Notice right there, it automatically saved for me, so you don't have to worry about saving. So you can write a note to me or something like that, because the next thing you're going to do is share the document. And you note when I mouse over the blue share button, it says private to only me. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And then what you're going to do, since you will be sharing with me, if you type in my last name, you'll see I should pop up. Always start with people's last names. Click on me. There are 3 levels. You want to can edit, where people can make changes to the document, or you can allow them to just comment or view. So you're going to leave it as editing. You can add a message, email if you want. And basically all you're going to do is say share and save. So this may not work because I'm sharing it with myself. But you should now see when you go mouse over it that it is shared with one other person. So when you have shared a document with someone else and allowed them to edit, that means that if you are both in the document at the same time, you can see each other typing, and you will be able to, on the right side, have a chat if you want to talk about the document but don't want to have information stored in it. Okay, so you can share with a fairly large number of people, so this will really come in handy when you are doing group projects or presentations. Rather than emailing documents back and forth, you just create one, that person shares it, and then you can all work together. So if you finish those steps, that will complete Part B.